So, in the previous videos and lectures, we have just completed the chapter number 1 explanation, and the exercise objectives are remaining. So, in your homework, I have given you that to find out the answers of the textual exercise. Okay, students. So, let us first of all write the answers here in the exercise. Question 1, that is choose the correct answer. So, doing from that exercise. Question number 1, that is MCQ, I am just writing in short. Okay, so here the first one is the dash provides nutrition to plant. We know that that is provided by topsoil, that is in the A, the answer is 1, that is topsoil. Okay, A in that is topsoil. Then B, the same crop being planted over and over again in the same place leads to dash. That is here in the B, the answer is second, that is soil degradation. Soil degradation. C, terrace farming is done on dash. Terrace farming is done on the steps cutted into mountain slopes. So in the C, that is 2, that is steps cut into mountain slopes. Okay, so now moving towards D. That is soil erosion by rainwater flowing down the slopes of hill can be prevented by terrace farming. That is number 1, terrace farming. And in E, that is soil is conserved by dash. Soil is conserved by dash. In that also 1, that is crop rotation. Okay. Question number 2, that is fill in the blanks, that I am just writing over here. Question number 2, FB. In that, the first one, that is the process by which rain, wind and sun acts on rock is called withering. So in A, the answer is WEATH, weathered. Weathering. Second one, B, that is carrying away of topsoil by wind, rain is known as dash and dash. So in that, the first is soil erosion. And soil degradation. Okay. Third one, that is too many animals graze on the same piece of land is called dash. So that is known as overgrazing. Okay. D, cutting down too many trees and forests is called dash. That is known as deforestation. deforestation. Okay, and E, that is dash, is a government program that promotes reforestation. E, that is dash, is a government program that promotes reforestation, that is One Mahotsav. One Mahotsav. One Mahotsav. Okay, so these are the answers of the question 1 and 2. Please note down this, students. And as in the previous semester, the question answers will be provided in the form of material, I think, but it will be informed in the group. Okay, students, please note down this, and we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, that is air and its uses. Air and its uses. Okay. Okay, have you written down the answers, students? Okay. Now, see here in the introduction part of chapter number 2, they have given the introduction of the earth is surrounded by a blanket of air is called atmosphere. We know that. I have just wear a sweater on my body, so I can say that this is my what atmosphere of this. This just control. As in the earth, it is in oval shape. A blanket like structure is surrounded by the earth, that is known as atmosphere. Okay, students, so the atmosphere is kept in place by the gravitational force of the earth along with water. It is the blanket of air that has made life possible on the earth. See here, without the atmosphere, they are just telling that without the blanket, the life is not possible on the earth. So, without atmosphere, the life is not possible on the earth. Why? Because in the atmosphere, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and all the gases are there which are needed for the respiration. Okay. Another is all living beings breathe. They need air. This air contains oxygen, a gas that we all need. Life as we know it exists only on the earth. As the earth as the other planets in the solar system has no air and water. We can't see air, but we can feel it when the wind blows. Say a blanket of air is pressing down upon the earth. This means air exists pressure. This pressure is maximum at sea level and decreased as you go higher. So they are telling us in the air pressure is higher in the sea, and as you are just coming from sea to the land and moving towards a mountain, then the air pressure started decreasing. In the sea, the air pressure is highest, and on the mountain, topmost peak of the mountain, you can take it, Mount Everest or anything else, there is a minimum or the we can say least air pressure over there. Okay, students, and our new topic, that is layers of atmosphere. Layers of atmosphere. layers of atmosphere. Okay, so there are many layers of it. Let us see one by one all the layers which are there. See here. The atmosphere consists of several layers, the lowest being the troposphere. So here the first layer is troposphere. The first layer is troposphere. The second one, that is stratosphere. Second one, that is stratosphere. Stratosphere. Third one, that is mesosphere. Okay. Fourth one, that is ionosphere. Ionosphere or thermosphere. Okay, and the fifth one and the last one, that is exosphere. Fifth one, that is exosphere. Okay, so let us see one by one all the layers of the earth. See here, the atmosphere consists of several layers, the lowest being the troposphere. 80 to 90% of the mass of the atmosphere lies on these layers that exist up to 8 to 16 kilometer above the earth. So this layer is up to 8 to 16 kilometer above the earth. 8 to 16 kilometer above the earth. All weather changes takes place in this layer. So we can also tell that in troposphere we all live. Okay, in the troposphere we all live. Okay, so it is up to 8 to 16 kilometer. Now second one, that is above the troposphere, is the stratosphere and the ozone layer. Okay, so here this is above. This layer is above troposphere, and there is an ozone layer on it. Ozone layer on it. Okay. Then coming to the, there are no weather changes in this layer and planes fly here. Means we know that when the plane take off and after some distance it will go up and up. Okay, and the international flights just are there on the stratosphere. Okay, the flights fly on which layer? Stratosphere. The question can be asked. Then coming to the manosphere. So manosphere is above stratosphere. Above stratosphere. Stratosphere. Okay. Manosphere means middle, and this is the middle layer of the earth atmosphere. Meteoroids showers are seen here. So This is the middle layer of the earth, sorry, atmosphere, middle layer. Okay, this is also known as middle layer. And then coming to the ionosphere or thermosphere. See here, the next layer is the ionosphere or thermosphere. It reflects radio waves and helps in transmitting radio and TV program live from any part of the world. Okay, so this is above the manosphere, but we will not write that. So what is the it is used? It reflects. It reflects radio waves, radio waves, radio waves, and helping in transmitting radio and TV program live from any part. Live, I am just writing live only, live from any part of the world. We know that a cricket match is just we can see live from Australia. Now the tour was in the Australia. From that we are just seeing the live cricket match. Why? Because of the ionosphere or thermosphere. It reflects the radio waves, helping in transmitting radio and TV program live. Okay, then coming towards our last layer, that is exosphere. Exosphere. The exosphere is above ionosphere. It extends up to 10,000 kilometers. It extends up to 10,000 kilometers. Okay, above the earth and fades into outer space. Weather satellites orbit the earth at the height of 700 to 1500 kilometers. Communication satellites positioning at the height of 36,000 kilometers reflect signal and makes it possible for us to speak on the phone to anyone across the world. So here they are just telling that when the communication satellites are at how much? 36,000 kilometers far from the earth, and the weathering satellites which just orbit on the earth are at 700 to 1500 kilometers far from the earth. Okay students, so this, due to exosphere, we can talk anybody to at any time in the world. Okay, due to which? Due to exosphere. Okay, now our next paragraph is at the sea level all the layers of the atmosphere are pressed down on us at 400 meters. The air is thinner, and on the Mount Everest, almost 9 kilometers high, it is much thinner. There is insufficient oxygen at this level. We call this air rarefied. It is difficult to breathe here. That is why mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them. There is less air at Mount Everest to press down upon them. Air pressure decreases with increasing in height. So here they are just telling us that as we just move towards the height, the air pressure decreases and the oxygen level is also decreases. So the mountaineers, just what they do, they just carry oxygen bottles or oxygen cylinders with them when they are just going towards the mountain. So here let us revise all this again. So layers of atmosphere. There are how many layers of atmosphere? There are 5 layers of atmosphere. The first one, that is troposphere. This layer is extend up to 8 to 16 kilometer. In that, most of the atmosphere mass is there at where it is at troposphere. All the maximum mass of atmosphere is there at troposphere. That is up to 8 to 16 kilometer. Okay, moving towards next. Here we are talking about the stratosphere, which is above the troposphere. The stratosphere is above. When the limit of the troposphere ends, from that the stratosphere limit starts. So above the troposphere and ozone layer is situated over there. So there is no air on that, not much air on that, but the plane can fly over there. It is used for that. The planes are flighted there. Okay, and manosphere. So it is above the stratosphere, and here it is the middle layer of the layers of atmosphere. See here, there is here 2 atmosphere layers and here 2 atmosphere layer. This is the middle layer. Okay, this is the middle layer, but I have just written opposite. If I say that this is the surface of the earth, then the first layer will come troposphere, there it will be over here. Then after stratosphere will come, then after mesosphere will come, then after ionosphere will come or thermosphere will come, and then after exosphere will come. Okay, the fourth one, that is ionosphere or thermosphere, it reflects radio waves and helping in transmitting radio and TV program live. So in this layer, some of the satellites are stand there and it reflects the radio waves and helping in transmitting radio and TV programs live. Okay, that we have seen. And exosphere, it is after the 10,000 kilometer. Okay, here in the book we have read that the weather satellites orbit at how much kilometer? It orbits as 700 to 1500 kilometer, and the communication satellites are far 36,000 kilometer far from the earth. Okay students, so you can talk at any time, at anywhere, at any place from the world to anyone. Okay, due to that we can just communicate with our friends or relatives or family members. Okay students, now moving forward, see here, now it's time for your homework. So in your homework, what you have to do is, in your homework, you have to write about the layers of atmosphere. Okay, write about the layers of atmosphere. This is your homework and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.